The video is about getting rid of Killremovebed-5.live. It's yet another fake alert that tries to deceive you with faulty statements that tell you have a chance of winning some prize. It says that you are today's lucky visitor and that you have a chance of winning some deposit bonus or some top gadget like iPhone or Samsung phone. These pop-ups by Killremovebed-5.live may be localized in various languages, English, German, French, and this particular one is in Russian. It is strongly advised that you do not interact with these alerts. You should not provide any of your personal data. The pop-ups at the end of this primitive survey may instruct you to notify them about your email address. However, I strongly urge you not to share any of your personal details. If you actually share your email address or telephone number, you may start getting spam to your email accounts, or sometimes these pop-ups at the end of the survey may forward you to a lot of unfamiliar pages in the internet that may even infect your computer. In the light of these facts, you are strongly advised to close these pop-ups completely. And I would also recommend that you implement the detailed analysis of your Mac with the reliable antivirus such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus for Mac. You may get its latest version on the page combocleaner.com. Once the software is downloaded and successfully installed, you need to wait until it updates the antivirus database, and then you may start scanning with the application to detect all other threats that are possibly concealed in your computer. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The program has performed the free research of Mac computer, and at the end of scan some threats were found. You may go to the antivirus area and click on Review Results. This is the detailed report about the location of each specific threat in your Mac. You may click on this icon that says Show in Finder, and this will show you its exact location in Finder. After that, you may remove each specific threat manually, so one threat at a time. And this is the free way to remove threats manually from your Mac computer. Of course, you may consider purchasing the premium version of the program to get rid of all these threats automatically.